In late 2019, the world faced an unexpected challenge. A new virus began to spread rapidly, crossing borders and reaching every continent. What started as a local outbreak quickly began a global pandemic, affecting millions of lives. Cities went into lockdown, hospitals worked at their limits, and daily routine changed overnight. People had to adapt, learning to work, study, and connect from home. Scientists around the world collaborated like never before, searching for solutions and developing vaccines in record time. The global outbreak reminds us of our vulnerability, but also of our resilience, unity, and ability to overcome even the most difficult moments.
As the pandemic spread across the world, daily life changed in ways no one expected. Schools closed their doors, shifting to online classes, while offices turned into virtual workspaces. Streets that were once full of activity became quiet and empty. Simple routines like meeting friends, visiting family, or going out to eat suddenly required caution or were put on hold. People learned to wear masks, use hand sanitizer, and keep their distance to stay safe. At home, families spent more time together, discovering new hobbies and ways to cope. The pandemic deeply reshaped our routines, reminding us how fragile yet adaptable our everyday lives can be.
During the pandemic, health measures were essential to keep students, teachers, and families safe. One of the main practices was wearing face masks, which helped reduce the spread of the virus. Hand washing was also very important. The schools encouraged students to wash their hands often or use hand sanitizer before entering classrooms and after touching shared surfaces, and not only in schools, because this was part now of the daily routine for everyone in the world. Social distancing became part of the routine as well. Desks were spaced apart, group activities were limited, and many events were held online to avoid large gatherings. Vaccination was played a key role in protecting the community, helping reduce severe illness and allowing schools to return to in-person learning more safely, and people to their works and jobs. These health measures work together to create a safer environment and help the schools continue their educational activities during a challenging time and to keep people safe from any event and everywhere they are.
During the pandemic, the medical response had to change very quickly. Hospitals were full, so doctors and nurses worked extra hours and even turned regular rooms into emergency areas. One big challenge was the lack of equipment like masks, gloves, and ventilators, so healthcare workers had to be very careful and follow safety rules. They also used new protocols to protect themselves, wearing layers of protective gear every day. Testing became extremely important, and telemedicine helped, helped people get care without going to a hospital. Another major achievement was the rapid development of vaccines. Scientists and organizations around the world worked together to create them in record time, which helped reduce severe case and save millions of lives. Overall, the pandemic showed how strong and dedicated healthcare workers are. Their teamwork and effort helped the world face one of the biggest health challenges in history.
Lessons learned. We learned many lessons from the pandemic. First, we learned that health is very important. We must wash our hands, eat well, and rest. We also learned that plans can change at any moment. Schools closed, jobs changed,
and life become different. Because of this, we learn to adapt and be flexible. Another lesson is to value the people around us. We learn to check on our friends and family. We also learn that technology can help us. It helps us study, work, and talk to people far away. Finally, we learned that kindness matters. A small action can help someone feel better. This lesson will stay with us for the future.
During the pandemic, people in many communities helped each other in different ways. Neighbors shared food, brought medicine to those who couldn't go out, and checked on people who were alone. Volunteers organized donations for families who lost their jobs and also helped older people stay safe. Even though everyone had to stay at home, people stayed connected through video calls, messages, and online activities. Many communities also thank doctors, nurses, and other essential workers for their hard work. In the end, the pandemic showed that kindness and working together can help everyone get through difficult times.